Removing a processor. Remove the server cover. To remove the heatsink and fan module, disconnect the heatsink and fan module cable from the system board. Partially loosen screw 1, fully loosen screw 2, and then fully loosen screw 1. Partially loosen screw 3, fully loosen screw 4, and then fully loosen screw 3. Lift the heatsink and fan module evenly and remove them from the server. To remove the processor, wipe the thermal grease from the processor with an alcohol cleaning pad. Gently pull the handle away from the processor retainer. Lift the handle. Lift the processor retainer to the fully open position as illustrated. Hold both sides of the processor and gently lift it away from the processor socket. Notes: do not touch the gold contacts on the bottom of the processor. Keep the processor socket clean to prevent possible damage.